Hi, in this video I will tell you how to record clean and crisp audio. So we will the software we will be using for this purpose will be Audacity. So if you go to Google and search for the Audacity, here it is, the first website, the first website, audacityteam.org. So it is available for the Windows, Mac and Linux. You can download it here. There are all three options. So I have already downloaded it and installed it. So here are the three different profiles. I will keep it on the default for this video, and you want to do it as well. You can select all the plugged in microphones. I will for this demonstration I will select this noisier microphone. So after selecting this, just you can hit record there. These are the volume levels. So for this microphone I have selected tends to be much louder, so I will keep it on 0.70. so you have to just hit this record button, and this is some test sound which is recording. And what I want to do is and you want to do is keep a bit of silent track on the end or start. So just after recording, be silent for a moment. And then hit this stop button. So I will tell you why I have kept this silent thing. So first of all, let's hear how our audio sounds like, which we have just recorded. Track on the end or start. So just after recording, be silent for a moment. Okay, on the silent place or anywhere else, you can hear after recording there is a hiss noise in our recording. So this silent portion will tell the Audacity to about the noise, how it looks like. So we will select this silent area. It could be just bit like this, but a more longer area will be make it more clear to Audacity. So into the go into the effects and then noise reduction. First step is to tell the Audacity about the how noise looks like. So make sure you have the correct only noise area selected, not the area where you're speaking actually. So after opening this, you just need as a first step you just need to click get noise profile. Once the Audacity knows how noise looks like, you have to double click on the track, and it now the whole track is selected. Its whole track is white. So just go to the effects and then again noise reduction, and now you have to apply the reduction. It will keeping in view the area selected earlier, it will apply the reduction on the whole selected area, which is whole area which is selected right now. So make sure you have the whole track selected and just click OK, and you can see those extra bits of noise from here are gone. Now you can, if we listen to from here, track on the end or start. So just after recording, be silent for a moment. So so you can see that this noisy area is now much quieter, and overall our sound sounds so much better. Recording, be silent. So overall our sounds looks much better. You can repeat this process, but it's always better to not repeat it, but only when you are applying the noise reduction. Just keep you can play with these values to get the better results, but for the start the default values will help. So once that is done, just double click to select the whole track. In fact, select only the track you need, and then click this trim button, trim option, to remove the extra area at the end which we had for the noise removal. So now we have, and this is now we have whole audio which we want to export. Just go to the file and then export as wave, and then you can just select any location and test sound 1 2 3. So you can just save it there, and after that when you are closing, it will ask you to save this project or not. You can save it if you have to apply more effects, or if you want to play this audio again to apply more things and echoes and everything else. We will make more videos about that, about more options in Audacity, but for now that's it. So you can just get rid of this now. Okay, the sound you needed already, you have already exported. Start button, and this is some test sound which is recording, and what I want to do is and you want, so you can listen that this is a pretty decent sound. When we were recording it, it had lots of face noise and stuff, so this is the best way to record audio for your voiceovers, or even if you want to record yourself saying something or singing something or whatever, even you for whatever purpose you need that. So that's it. Just subscribe to this channel, and we will come up with more videos which are informative for you. Thank you very much.